Hi everybody, welcome back to Terry's O-Gauge Trains for part 2 of the return of the trolley. As you can see, the motor is installed in the trolley body and everything is running quite well. If you look to the back here, I have the switch installed and it is working just perfectly. And I'm going to step back here and we'll give you a little demonstration. And there she goes. You see, it is running absolutely splendidly. Looks good, it runs good, and forward, and reverse. And so I am quite pleased with this. I did have to fill the hole in the roof where the original lever was in the original body. But other than that, it looks great. Now, is it original? No. Does it have collector value? No. This thing's not going to be worth, $1,000 10 years after I'm dead. After I'm gone. No, it's a kit bash trolley. The trolley body came from a $10 Chinese wind-up trolley that I got mainly for the body. The wind-up motor in it was absolute junk. It's very cheap, but I needed a trolley body, and this gives me one. The motor, it's a 90-year-old motor, most of it. It's got post-war wheels on the back. It has a toggle switchy unit put in to replace the damaged board that I talked about in the previous video. But the important thing is it works. It does what I want it to do. It's a trolley. It runs on the layout when I want it to. And, for what it is, you can't ask it for more than that. And I had a lot of fun putting it together. So just want to do a short video on that. Let you see it run for a little bit. And that's going to be it for this video. Remember to please like, subscribe, and share. And I thank you for watching.